Hello and welcome to Life of Pig Row, and today we're going to look at saving our own Cosmos seed. So as you can see, I've got some Cosmos seed heads here and they've dried out, and it's really just a matter of scrunching them up and opening them up like so, and you should theoretically get seed that looks just like that. I don't know if you can see it. Let's try and pick it up again. There we go, that's what it looks like. And it's a matter of just going through it all. So you put it down like so, and you start to go through each one of them, and the seed should drop out. And then I can find them. There we go. Then we take a pair of tweezers, and it's literally pick out the seed, place it in another bowl. And yes, it is easy to go and buy some seed, but there's something wonderful about collecting your own seed. So I'm going to work on this now and show you what I get at the end. So that's what's left over after I've gone through it. And the reason I use tweezers to go through it is really simple. When I'm pinching them and going through and picking up the seed, I can tell which ones are viable and which ones are not. The reason I do that, and the way to spot it, is if you've got your tweezers and you pinch and the seed just turns to dust, it's not viable. So there you are. There's my seed now for next spring. There's a good, I would say, 100 seeds in there. So that's my flower border for next year. And all I need to do now is bag it up and make sure I've labelled it, so I don't forget. And you know, an autumn evening or even a winter's evening, just doing this, letting them dry out on your windowsill and then taking the seed out is great, and you're just going to save yourself some money and also keep your hand in. There'll be people watching this saying, what's the point of collecting seed when I could just buy it? Well, if you've not noticed, seed prices are going up, and also this seed that I've collected has grown in my garden, so it's used to my environment, and the good chances I'm going to get a better show next year with these ones because they've got used to where I garden and the height I garden at. And also it's a bit of fun. It's good to know where your seeds come from, and it's called sustainability. If you can sustain your own seeds within your own garden, you're helping nature, you're helping the world to be a better place. So, you know, switch off the TV, put a bit of music on, and start collecting your own seed. So it's goodbye from me, Andrew at Life on Pig Row. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Until next time, bye bye.